Hi there, class. Miss Lehmann here. Today we're getting ready for math. If you could open up to lesson 8-2, compare and order lengths. It's on page 569. Okay, great. Hope you have your books open and you're ready to go. This first part on explore and explain, it says find two objects that will fit in this box right here. Then draw them in the box. You will then circle the object that is longer and put an X on the object that is shorter. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to go find two objects in your house that fit inside here. So obviously you couldn't get like a big stuffed animal that wouldn't fit in there. So you need to think about two objects that would actually fit inside the box. Then you're going to draw them. You're going to circle the objects that is longer and put an X on the object that is shorter. Now know that when you're watching my videos, you can always pause me while you go do something and then start me up again when you are ready. All right. Once you have done that, we're going to move on to see and show. For today's see and show, it talks about how we can compare and order the length of objects. So we're going to be ordering objects from shortest to longest in these situations. So we need to look at the scissors, the paints, and the pencil. We need to decide which is the shortest, the scissors, the paints, or the pencil. You're right, the scissors are. So we would put a number 1 there because that's our shortest object. And remember, we're going from shortest to longest. So what's next? Which is the next shortest? The pencil or the paints? The pencil, you're right. So we would put a number 2, and then the paints would have a number 3. It says the pencil is longer than the scissors. The paint set is the longest, shortest to our longest. Let's look here. This time, we're going to compare lengths of objects, and we're going to go from the longest to the shortest. So here we have a pen, a bookmark, and a paintbrush. This time, remember, we're going from the longest to the shortest. Which is the longest? You're right, the paintbrush is the longest, so we would put a 1 there. Which is longer between the bookmark and the pen? The bookmark, good. We'd put a number 2 there. And then the pen would be third. So it's longest to shortest. Boy, my dog sure do love mathematics. Yeah. All right. Then we are going to look, and it says, find the objects in your classroom. We cannot find the objects in our classroom, but we're going to just look at the objects here. So we can see that number 1 says, which is shorter? We see a paintbrush and paint. Which of those two objects is shorter? The paint is shorter, so you would circle that. Which is longer? The crayon or the pencil? The pencil's longer, so we would circle that. It says, order the objects by length. Write 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. So we're comparing the paper clip, the glue stick, and a marker or a crayon. Remember, we're going to write 1 for long. Which is long here? We're doing long, longer, longest. Good. We would write a 1 underneath the paper clip. Now, which is longer and which is longest? It looks like the crayon is just a little bit longer, so it would be 1, 2, and 3. Long, longer, longest. Then, on my own, you will be following the directions. Which is shorter, which is longer. Order the objects by length. Write 1 for short, 2 for shorter, and 3 for shortest. Order the objects by length. Write 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. And then on the back, you're going to continue on, and it says John has 3 objects. How should he order the objects from shortest to longest? So which is the shortest, which is longer than that, and which is the longest? Tia owns 3 iguanas. How should she order the iguanas? How should she order the iguanas from longest to shortest? And Zoe writes 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. Tell why Zoe is wrong, and then make it right. So that's what you will be doing for today's lesson. You will be comparing lengths and then ordering them. And you'll be using words like long, longer, longest, and words like short, shorter, shortest. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out. Happy math to you.